What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It is a pretty gray and rainy day out today, but we are heading down to Ocean City, Maryland for the OC Cruise Week that is happening this weekend. And we're not going to take any Mustangs because they're calling for rain and thunderstorms and kind of tends to flood in Ocean City. So we're going to take one of the Jeeps, so at least we can still have some fun and splash around in some puddles and meet up with all our good friends. So we'll see you guys down there. What is it, Margot?
Coral green. Different places, so quite fitting for us. Got almost a wrap around the back of the face.
Look, Margot, you got free free dinner down here.
Free dinner?
Got some onion rings.
Oh, Jesus.
So we finally made it down here. We went up with Rick and Margot, and we got free onion rings over there on the ground. That'll be a little snack for later on. I know Margot loves being on camera.
Do you have anything stashed up in front?
No, I'm good.
Just my jacket.
So let's go see what this place looks like. Oh, that's a good view.
Oh, imagine come up here tonight.
Joe, it's your Ted. There's nobody responding.
Look, they can sit right there.
The seagull did.
We can sit right there.
Oh, that's perfect.
Tonight, baby.
Can we build a bonfire in this big pit?
Yeah, man, this works. How's the water, Rick?
It's very clear.
Yeah, it looks like it's crystal clear, you might say.
Send that to your mother.
Later.
So it's Friday, and as you can see, it is pouring its butt off right now. So don't know how many cars we're gonna see, but we're gonna go eat some breakfast.
Right here.
What's the name of the place? Miguel Marine. for everybody. It's Saturday morning now. I don't know if you can hear me over the traffic, but it's another gloomy day out today. We didn't do much yesterday. It was pouring literally all day long, so we just kind of drove around a little bit, went and saw Deadpool 2, and today it's a little foggy, but it doesn't appear to be raining, so hopefully some cars will be out today. Mustang Club shows today, so maybe we'll stop by there, and let's see what the day has for us.
Somebody trying to do a Clark Bridge.
Yeah, that's what I just saw. It's got honky lips written on the side of it. ride down to Ocean City. Alright, so it's the last day. Went out and had a good breakfast with our lovely daughter. And now it's time to head home. We had a great weekend with great friends, saw a bunch of cool cars. Friday was kind of rainy, but got to see Deadpool 2, so that was kind of cool.
Yeah.
And yesterday, got to see all the cars. So, see you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye.